In this video, we're given an exponential equation. 81 power x is equal to 5th root of 729. And we have to find the value of x. Let's focus on the 81 power x. 81 here can be written as 3 power 4. Then 81 power x becomes 3 power 4 power x. 5th root of 729. 729, you can write that as 3 power 6. Let me recap the power rule. A power b all power c. Multiply the exponents, it's equal to a power bc. And let me recap also the fraction exponent rule. Nth root of x power m is equal to x power m divided by n. Let's apply these two rules on the exponential equation. So this 3 power 4x will be written as 3 power 4x. And then this 5th root of 3 power 6 will be 3 power 6 divided by 5. And as we can see, the bases are the same, so we are left with 4x equals to 6 divided by 5. And then if we divide both sides by 4, 6 divided by 5 divided by 4 becomes 6 over 5 times 1 over 4 equals to 6 over 20 equals to 3 over 10. So your x here is 3 over 10. This is your final answer. We put here 3 over 10. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Goodbye.